guys, we're just going in a hotel to swim.
Ayun is pupunta kami sa Eureka Hotel. And then mag-stay kami doon ng one night kasi may free room ako, guys. Free room. Tapos magsuswimming na rin kami doon kasi never pa kami nakapag-swimming dyan sa Eureka. Guys, nakapagsuot na ako ng aking swimsuit. Tapos ito lang din yung susuotin ko papunta doon. Ayan, tapos binihisan ko na rin ito na rin yung susuotin niya papunta doon. 5 minutes lang, guys, yung drive from our house to Eureka Hotel. It's 5 minutes. Tapos, guys, doon na rin kami magde-dinner habang inaantay namin na check-in time kasi yung check-in time is 3 o'clock. So, swimming na muna kami. So ito lang pala yung dadalhin namin, guys. Yung backpack ni Nat. This is so heavy. Yung backpack lang ni Nat at saka yung yung backpack. Tingnan nyo si Natli, guys. Ang bigat kaya niyan. Dalhin namin yan, guys. Yung snack. Yun sa cooler. Dalhin namin yan. First, paalis na kami, guys. See you later. So, guys, andito na kami, guys. Eureka Casino Hotel. Gamit namin, guys, nasa nasa sasakyan. Kasi alas 3 pa yung yung check-in. So, try namin mag-ask kung pwede na kami mag-swimming. Front desk. Ito yung lobby. Pwede ka manood ng TV dyan. Si Banana, nagtanong siya kung pwede na kami maka-check-in. Tapos sabi ng lalaki na try niya daw. Tingin kung may available na room. So guys, nakapa-check-in kami ng maaga. Tingnan muna namin yung room. Tapos mabalik kami sa sasakyan. Kunin namin yung gamit namin. Tapos guys, hinanapan pala ako ng ID kasi sa akin nakapangalan ito. Tapos wala akong ID kasi iniwan ko lahat sa sa bahay. So dito na kami sa loob ng hotel. Kapag check-in kami ng mga so habang kinukuha ni Mr. sa sasakyan, guys, room tour ko kayo dito sa hotel. Dadalhin ko to, guys, pag uwi po. So guys, unahin natin yung sa CR. Ayan, may sila dito, may toilet paper, tapos may extra towel. Yan yung toilet nila, guys. Tapos yung shower naman, guys, ito yung curtain shower, bubuksan natin. Ayan, yung shower nila, guys. Ayan. Tapos, pwede kang umupo dyan. Lugod ng katawan mo. Or maghilod. Tapos, ayan yung light sa taas. Then, may soap sila dito, guys. Tapos, may moisturizing shampoo sila, guys. Conditioner ata yan. Tapos sabon. Then may cup sila. Ayan. Cup. Then may sila. Coffee maker. Tapos may coffee. Ayan. May coffee sila, guys. Ayan. Tapos sugar. Then creamer. Ayan, tapos tissue sila dito sa gilid. Then, meron ditong guys, hair dryer. Ayan. Dito naman, guys, is meron silang plancha, iron. You can iron your clothes here. Ayan, yung nilagyan na ng damit. Tapos lagyan na ng iyong bagahe. Then may hanger. Tapos, I think that's from the other room. Tapos ito yung TV nila,
And
guys.
no oven.
Ito yung
And no.
channel guide. Ayan. Blanket sila dito. May extra blanket in case malamig. Oh, dalawa yung ano, guys. Extra blanket in case malamig. May water sila, guys. Ito yung water nila, guys. $4. Hindi free yung tubig. Tapos, ayan yung ano, bed. Twin bed. Kung gusto mo mag-comment, you can leave your comment here. May ball pen. Then, ayan, telephone. And then, postcard. And then, you can see the view outside, guys. Ayan. So, ayan yung casino, guys. Maglakad ka lang from the hotel to casino. Ayan. Malapit lang. Go to the pool now, guys. So, hanapin namin yung... No. No, we're not going in.
Oh, simple? You go out that way or that was this way?
Oh, it's allowed to go this way? Thank you.
You record it?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Bye-bye.
Say hello.
Hello. You go this way?
Oh, okay, thank you. So, ayan, nagtanong ako sa kanya, guys. Dito kami sa hallway, naglalakad papunta.
Or, you right-handed?
Oh, okay. Alright, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
So, we go this way. He's very helpful guy. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito yung sa labas ng hotel, guys. We wait for daddy muna. Ayan po nila, guys. So, shower please before entering the pool. So, you have to take shower first. And then you enter the pool. Okay, we take shower first. Shower first. lang daw dito sa after 10 minutes, natutulog sa window. Sarap sa likod ng hot tub. Yeah, it's really
You don't have enough energy. Only I do.
you have lots of energy.
Yeah. Because I
That's
use
good. You have break, you have break.
Mommy, hurry up. I want to
Restaurant. Dinner time. Ayan si Nat. Hello. Hello to.
And I want to go there now.
Sure. Lakad. Malapit na kami. Dahil ganda yan, no? Warm. So, tapos namin kumain. Yung dalawa na lang punta sa hotel. Tapos ako maglaro muna sa gilid. Ako naman kumain. Alas 4. Pagutom na kasi ako. Passenger shuttle. Dito na kami sa loob.